Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I go by the name of yours truly, Truth Be Told, and today's meal was truly inspired by me being hungry and remembering how Kimmy's Kreations made this here food. Okay, we're gonna get into how I made some beef short ribs using these veggies, some honey butter cornbread, and some what I now call my magnificent mac and cheese. Y'all stay tuned. Although I did try to cook my meal almost exact as Kimmy's Kreations, her beef short ribs were smaller and a lot more than mine. Mine are bigger in just these few. So my suggestion would be use your own judgment on how much time you should cook each side. Use your own judgment. Okay, so now that you've flipped it from the front, back, side, top, and bottom, you are going to place these in your crock pot. Shout out to you, love, for giving this to me from my house. We're gonna cook your beef short ribs for 3.5 hours to 4 hours. You're gonna use 1.5 cups. Oh, you smell it? Do you smell it? Oh, I wish I could smell it. I took a bite. I cannot resist. I definitely took a bite. Alright, but you're gonna put it on a cooling rack for now, and then you're gonna make your broth here. Use 1.5 cups of beef broth, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and put it together with your seasoned vegetables. You're gonna put all that in the crock pot, and then you're gonna place the meat inside of the crock pot for 3.5 hours to 4 hours so that it can fall off of the bone. And yes, you can cook these in your crock pot. You can cook these in the oven as well as on stovetop. So yeah. Okay, so now let's get into one of my favorite foods that she did make, the mac and cheese. So you start off with the mac and cheese sauce, and I did try to follow all the items that she used. However, although I am lactose intolerant, I did discover I can eat Sargento cheese. Yes, amen. She did use heavy cream, but I used only an ounce because, you know, lactose intolerant. So I did discover also that you can use oat milk as your base, along with the Sargento cheese. So that's what I did. I used those cheeses, the cheddar cheese, the Parmesan cheese, as well as mozzarella and some pepper jack cheese. And so we have it, folks. I have discovered that I can use oat milk as well as Sargento cheese for my mac and cheese. And for you ASMR folks, turn your sound up. This is what y'all wanted to hear anyhow, you little nasty. So the good news is there is no need to add butter or spray or oil to the dish to help it not stick. Trust me, it's not gonna stick. I followed what she said, and yes, yeah, follow what she said and it will not stick. Okay, spread the noodles out evenly around the bottom so that you can create that bottom layer, and then you're gonna add as much cheese as you like in between, and then add the other top layer. But it was just me, so that's why it looks like it's a little bit, because it is a little bit. Okay, it's just me, and I don't really need to be eating all indulgent into this comfort food, even though it's so good. But yeah, add as much cheese as you like in between and on top, because I did that. And yes, you're gonna see how perfect this came out. Oh yes. When I say this came out so perfectly, y'all, OM goodness. OM goodness. Yes, God. This slightly burnt crust, and this first bite, I ate that. Yes, I did. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Y'all let me know how y'all think I did for my very first time in the comments down below. And you know, you can't eat everybody mac and cheese. And I made this recently for my housewarming, and it was no more. Okay, so that's a good sign. Amen. Amen. So let's get into these falling off the bones beef short ribs, this honey butter cornbread, and what I now call my magnificent mac and cheese. Hey, Hey honey, dinner is ready. I'll see you guys in my next video. Y'all be blessed.